Hello to all my gardening friends. Today I'm excited to share with you a couple plant recommendations. Two of my all-time favorite go-to plants, Rudbeckia and Dahlia. Now listen, these two plants are guaranteed to help liven up your garden as we go into summer and help it pop. First, let's talk about Rudbeckias. I love Rudbeckias because of their beautiful bright color and their long bloom time. They start blooming at the end of June and they'll carry all the way into August. And then they come back year after year. Rudbeckias come in different shades of yellow and orange, but also in varieties with a kind of rusty red color that I really like. And if you're out shopping for Rudbeckias, keep your eye out for the double variety as well. I think the double ones are very unique and eye-catching. Now for Dahlias, they come in a wide variety of colors and sizes. This particular one is a lower growing dahlia, so it could present really nicely if you plant it in a container. But hey, how about we put it right next to this taller Rudbeckia? I think it would really look nice. When you're planting your plant, you want to loosen up the roots that are at the bottom of the plant. And then in they go. Oh boy. And always remember with new plantings to give it a little water. Rudbeckias and Dahlias are easily found in any nursery. They really complement each other in size and color. I hope these two recommendations inspire you to go to your local nursery and find some beautiful, bright colored flowers for your garden this summer. Hey, happy gardening. Thanks so much.